ebusua enda de enye recruitment update am de bema wo menim so watch videos bebre ahwa menya nche wade bi ati enda de me ba be check tech update and say tech tip kakra bi ebeboa wo we ye Android phone users no ma mention ma de won so how you use phone na we won say adverts bebre baso what you say ebi mo bi application bi kra na ate say ad bi load ansana wait to me aye dey obey example app application bi te say clear scanner na dey say o scan ya obemia no process na te say ad bi show ansana we mia so no process it sometimes mom we use WhatsApp status saver no ebi o ansana e be save no e be twa ads bi egu so ansana wait me save side no money na ya na e hakakra into ma mention kwan ya be fa so be preventing all those unnecessary adverts na e ba so ansana we use applications into for Android phone na call settings into me phone near me call settings for Android phone na call settings into call settings and now call more connections on betray be your phone settings na ya try more connections into call open now we locate private DNS into me private DNS so on say all the automatic now they are better a private DNS provider host name a bar space beba home now what type sa ade we their media go screen so now what type e their shame home what type shame home na we me save so we me save and no unnecessary adverts bia na eba phone so say we use application bia na ade na e free ndeko ejai but information so say applications bit say YouTube any other streaming platform as a social media platform no ebi o ma wo hwe eno ne inbuilt ads eno ne ma o so munye sika nti sa ads ne de otwe mutan ene de ebeba but say bia wa download the application bi say na medi kan no ebi a WhatsApp status saver ne ade say no ansa na obe save no ate say unnecessary ad bi bon say games bia beba so ne ade no umpesa ade na we yes settings so ya ebeboa ama prevent those ads into most on no this is how you can avoid unnecessary ads on your phone. So you follow the process and you do the same and to help you prevent unnecessary ads on your phone. In the next video, I'll drop the same settings for iPhone users. The iPhone users, yours is slightly different. So wait for the next video. Thank you for watching.